So I want you to imagine that you have heard some calamitous news. Perhaps there has been an earthquake in a part of the world. Perhaps war has been declared, or perhaps someone has been disgraced in the house. And in this case, you adopt this attitude. It's also very useful for ministers. You put your cane on one side like this, or you rest on the pulpit if you're a minister, and you lean slightly to one side. You raise your eyes heavenward and your hand heavenward, and you open your mouth like that. Now, I think you could all do this. You're going to roll your eyes heavenward, and you're going to let your jaw drop in astonishment, and you're going to raise your hand like that. Ooh! Except you don't need to say anything. Excellent.